We're almost there, but at some point, the pandemic will be over, but there will always be a need for blood.
It's ongoing, and as COVID-19 vaccination efforts ramp up, we're learning more about the impact the shot can have on blood and plasma donations.
Turns out a coronavirus vaccine does not largely impact when someone can give blood, but there are some important things to remember if you plan on donating anytime soon. ClickOrlando.com's Brianna Voles is here now to give us some clarification.
Well, Julie, we've checked with OneBlood multiple times over the course of the pandemic about what the current needs are like. And as we mentioned, there's always a need for blood. Not long after the pandemic began, OneBlood put out an urgent call asking for convalescent plasma. People who have recovered from COVID-19 have antibodies to the coronavirus in their plasma, which can help patients still fighting COVID-19. So now that coronavirus vaccinations are becoming more common, officials with OneBlood say there are certain rules from the FDA that could restrict donations. So here's what you need to know. If you receive the Pfizer or Moderna vaccines, there is no waiting period to donate blood or platelets after receiving those shots. However, if you receive the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, you will need to wait 2 weeks before donating. At this time, officials from OneBlood say they are not accepting convalescent plasma donations from individuals who have received a COVID-19 vaccine, even though the FDA has given the okay.
The FDA allows them to donate convalescent plasma, but it also requires a lot of complex computer changes to be made. So we're moving as quickly as possible to make those changes, but that's where it sits at this time.
Now, as for a convalescent plasma supply, OneBlood has a ready inventory of it. And as long as we are in a pandemic, the need for convalescent plasma remains. So clearly, it's vital for those donations to continue. If you've recovered from the virus, you are eligible to donate convalescent plasma every 28 days. For more information on how to donate plasma or blood at OneBlood, we've got that all for you over on ClickOrlando.com.